Hello, my name is Howard Goldberg, and I am the operations leader for CESMII. CESMII is the Smart Manufacturing Institute. CESMII represents a public-private partnership that is focused on accelerating the democratization of smart manufacturing. Smart manufacturing is Industry 4.0 and is critical for the U.S. manufacturing industry to become competitive in today's global market. CESMII offers technology, knowledge, innovation solutions that are tailored for any size company and for any industry. We're very excited to announce our upcoming Smart Manufacturing Innovation Summit on November 2nd, 4th, 9th, and 10th. It is a virtual event that will cover the spectrum of value to help you on your smart manufacturing journey. I'm particularly excited to have you join me on November 4th, where I'll talk more in detail on our Smart Manufacturing Innovation Center Network, or SMIC network. SMICs are lighthouse extensions of CESMII that are local presence that provide demonstrations, test beds, training, consultation, and collaboration. The bottom line, the SMICs are there to support you on your SM journey no matter where you're at. As an operations person, I fully understand that time is money. I can assure you that attending CESMII's upcoming virtual Smart Manufacturing Summit is a great ROI of your time and will certainly help advance your smart manufacturing journey. Please go to CESMII.org and register today, and we look forward to seeing you there.